Now fifth question, second part. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equals to 2 sec A. Okay. So here we'll first of all take LCM. Okay. So here it is 1 plus sin A, it is cos A. So LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. If I divide 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A, only cos A is left. So it is cos square A. Cos A divided by this is 1 plus sin A the whole square. Okay. This is LHS. Now it is cos square A. Here we'll put the identity of A plus B the whole square. Okay. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. Upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So it is 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. If I take 2 common in numerator, it is 1 plus sin A. In denominator, it is 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel. 2 upon cos A is 2 sec A. That is equal to RHS, what we have to prove. Is it clear? Just type a Y if you understood this question. Just type Y in your chat box if you understood this question. Hardik and Yash. Only 2 students typed Y. Others, those who are having doubt, please ask me the specific doubt. If you have any doubt in any of the topic, any of this step, please ask me the specific doubt. कौन से step में doubt है? Okay, so what about Hinal, Himani, Avni? No doubt Avni is typing. Hinal, Himani, what about you? Okay, understood. So, okay, Siddharth. Next, question fifth, second part. Of question fifth, third part. It is tan theta.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Why you were absent in last class and late today?
Ma'am, network issues.
Okay. So it is okay. Fifth question, third part. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta upon cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay. So how we'll solve this question? We'll just convert. We'll take LHS and convert tan to sine upon cos. So sine theta upon cos theta, cot theta as cos theta upon sine theta. Okay. And this will be cos theta upon sine theta, and tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now this will be sine theta upon cos theta, and taking LCM in denominator, if I take sine theta as LCM, it will be sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta, and this will be cos theta upon sin theta, and in LC, if I take LCM as cos theta in denominator, it will be cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now this will be multiplied here and this will be multiplied here. Similarly here also. So it will be sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now it will be sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here, if I take minus sign common from this cos theta minus sin theta, it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Why I am taking minus sign common? Because we have a term of sin theta minus cos theta here. We have a term of sin theta minus cos theta here. So I want to make this one also the same. So I am taking minus sign common. Okay. So minus of cos square theta upon sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now if I take LCM on both the sides, it will be sin theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now here, if I watch this and this, I find that only this term is not present here. So only sin theta will be multiplied with sin square theta. So it will become sin cube theta. And similarly here, only cos theta is the extra term which is here and not here. So cos theta will be multiplied here. So it will become cos cube theta. Anybody can tell me what is the formula of a cube minus b cube?
Ma'am, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square.
It is this.
Yes,
Okay, a
ma'am.
minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So it will become sin theta minus cos theta. When I'll put this formula for sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, it will be sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Upon sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. This term and this term will get cancelled. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. This can be written as 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus 1. Okay. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta plus 1. Okay. So this is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. This is what we have to prove. This is RHS. Okay. Go through this solution and let me know where is doubt.
Ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Please type why those who understood this question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Harini.
yes, ma'am. Can you please explain it from starting?
Okay. So fifth question,
Ma'am,
third part.
after that, when you took common minus, after that,
Okay. I am explaining from beginning. Okay. So tan theta, the question was this, and how we'll solve? We'll convert tan theta to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta. So first step we have done this. Now in denominator we are taking the LCM. Okay. So LCM is sin theta and it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Similarly, LCM here of the other term, denominator of other term will be cos theta and it will be cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now we have seen whenever there is a fraction upon fraction, the lowest or the lowest term multiplies with the topmost. Basically, we have if a upon b upon c upon d. So D is multiplied with A and B is multiplied by C. Okay. So it will be sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. And similarly here it will be cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Till here any doubt is there? I am changing the slide. On this slide, if any doubt is there, you can ask. Okay. So coming to next one. Now it is here actually on one side. Okay. अब यहाँ पे क्या था कि here we have sin theta minus cos theta and here we have cos theta minus sin theta. So if I take minus common, it will also become sin theta minus cos theta. So basically this minus is in denominator. So we have taken it as the minus sign for whole term. Here I have made this minus and I made it sin theta minus cos theta. So in next step, this we have done. Taken minus sign here and we made it sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now, if I take LCM of both the terms, it is sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. And it is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Putting the identity of a cube minus b cube. And then putting sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We will get this. So we'll get 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. 1 upon sin theta cos theta can be written as cosec theta plus sec theta, and sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta is 1. So this way we'll get the answer. Is it clear? Please type Y, those who understood this. Those who understood this question, please type Y. Okay, Hardik, Yash, Avni. Hinal Himani. Okay, what about Hinal Himani? क्या doubt है? Harini understood, Kavin understood, Siddharth understood. Okay. Then Hinal Himani, no response from your side. Either ask me the doubt or let.
माइनस कॉमन लेने के बाद क्या किया?
माइनस कॉमन लेने के बाद ठीक है, ये दोनों
Yes,
स्टेप्स
ma'am.
हम एक ही स्लाइड पे कर लेते हैं. बेसिकली ये था साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा प्लस ये था कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाय साइन थीटा into cos theta minus sin theta. This was there. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken minus sign common from here and made it sin theta minus cos theta. If there is a minus sign in denominator, I can take it to numerator also. So I have made this way. बस ये किया. और उसके बाद अब LCM लेके और सॉल्व किया है. क्लियर है?
मैम वो क्यूब कैसे हुए?
अब ये LCM क्या आएगा यहाँ पे देखो. LCM आया sin थीटा cos थीटा sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे नोट करो, यहाँ पे ये टर्म है, ये टर्म है, ये टर्म है, ये टर्म है. क्या नहीं है? sin थीटा नहीं है. तो sin थीटा को हमको यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो इट विल बी sin क्यूब थीटा. Similarly, here we have sin theta, sin theta, sin theta minus cos theta. What is not there? Cos theta. So cos theta should be multiplied there. So it will become this way. Basically, cos theta the whole square. इसको हम cos square theta लिखते हैं. और sin theta the whole cube. Basic or any cube term we write this way actually. We don't write the theta the whole square, but we write this way. Okay. So any doubt? Now is it clear? Yes, Hinali Mani, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. You can show the previous slide, please.
Yes, any doubt, anybody? Hina Limani,
No doubt.
नो डाउट. ठीक है, तो अब किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? Okay, I'll be sending the recorded video also. In case कोई doubt है तो you can watch that video and let me know in next class. Okay? I am moving to next question now. Question 4. 1 plus sec a upon sec a equals to sine square a upon 1 minus cos a. Okay, it's not necessary that every time we have to start from LHS and obtain what is there at RHS. We can solve both the sides also. Okay, so let us begin from LHS. Sec a is 1 upon cos a, and this is also 1 upon cos a. When we will take LCM is cos a plus 1 upon cos a and 1 upon cos a. So this and this will cancel. It is cos a plus 1. Okay. Now if I take RHS, sine square a upon 1 minus cos a. Sine square theta, if I write in terms of cos square theta, it is 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a. So this and this term will get cancelled. So it is equal to 1 plus cos a. So LHS equals to RHS. Type Y if it is clear. And ask me any doubt if it is not clear. Please ask doubt wherever it is not clear. Siddharth, Hardik. Okay. Then Avni. Hinal Hemani. Okay. Kavin. Harini. Okay, Yash. Okay. So coming to fifth part. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to cosec A plus cot A. Here actually in this question, it is given that we have to use this identity only. In this question, fifth part, we are given that we have to use identity using identity cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So for this case, can anybody think and tell me how can I convert cos and sine in terms of cosec and cot? How can I convert LHS in terms of cosec and cot?
I'm using identities.
Which identity? Cos और sin
मैम
को कैसे
जैसे
convert करेंगे? LHS को कैसे convert करेंगे? Cos और cot में, cosec और cot में.
using that formula.
What formula? So first step is dividing in numerator and denominator by sin A. So cos A by sin A, cot A, sin A by sin A is 1. 1 upon sin A is cosec A. Similarly, this is cot A. plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. Now, is it clear? Is it clear? ये इस स्टेप से ये स्टेप कैसे आया? Is it clear that how I got this step
Yes, ma'am.
from this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, सिद्धार्थ के अलावा भी बाकी सबको सब समझ में आ गया है कि ये कैसे होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
अब एक्चुअली वन हिंट इज दैट जब भी हमको कुछ प्रूव करना है ऐसा, ठीक है, तो वन वे इज मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय सेम टर्म इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. जो हमको आरएचएस में चाहिए उसी को हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ठीक है, अब हमको ये टर्म क्या चाहिए न्यूमरेटर में, तो इस न्यूमरेटर वाले टर्म को ऐसा का ऐसा ही रहने दो, इसको कुछ भी मत करो, और डिनोमिनेटर वाले दोनों टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग दिस एज इट इज because I want this another one term in numerator, so I am not multiplying them. Okay, but in denominator I'll be multiplying both the terms. So cot A into cosec A, first term will be cot A cosec A, second term will be cot square A. Okay, so next term is cosec A plus cot A minus cosec square A minus cosec A cot A. Okay, now first term cosec A cot A and last term minus cosec A cot A will get cancelled. Okay, now we have an identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay, so cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. If I move this term from here to here, cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. Okay, तो cot square A minus cosec square A क्या हो जाएगा? -1. If cosec square A minus cot square A is 1, then cot square A minus cosec square A will be -1. So I am rewriting that cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cosec A into cosec A cot A upon cot square A plus cosec A plus cot A minus cosec square A, and we know that cot square A minus cosec square A is -1, so it is cot A minus 1 plus cosec A upon into cosec A plus cot A upon if this term and this term is making -1, so I am writing cosec A plus cot A minus 1. Okay, cosec A plus cot A, are these both terms same, this one and this one? This is also cot A minus 1 cosec A plus cot A minus 1. So I can cancel these two terms. Now what is remaining? Cosec A plus cot A. This is what I want in RHS. So this is the answer, or this is what we have to prove. Go through this solution and ask me any doubt if you have. देख लो उसको अच्छे से देख लो, take time and ask me whatever doubt you have.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
एक बार तुम देखो और मुझे बताओ कि कहाँ पे डाउट है. I'll explain, but एक बार तुम भी देखो उसको कि कहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया है. I am explaining. Everybody go through each and every step and think how it came and what is the doubt or why you are not getting. So here we are asked to use this identity. First ये दिया था using identity cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a. That means हमको इनको cosec और cot में convert करना है. ठीक है, हमको पता है cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. So if I divide entire equation in numerator and denominator by sin theta, I'll get cot theta and cosec theta. So cos a by sin a is cot a, sin a by sin a is 1, and 1 upon sin a is cosec. Similarly, these terms will remain same in denominator also, only signs are different. Now what we want to get in RHS, हमने उसको उस टर्म को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ओके, हियर जब हमको ये टर्म न्यूमरेटर में चाहिए तो हम न्यूमरेटर वाले टर्म को कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी नहीं करेंगे, उसको ऐसा का ऐसा लिख देंगे. ओके, इन डिनोमिनेटर we will multiply both the terms. So when we will multiply, first and last term will get cancelled. Cot square a minus cosec square a, this can be written as minus 1. Okay, and this first term in numerator and the one term in denominator will get cancelled and we'll get RHS. Is it clear? Now ask me doubt whatever you have. Yes, any doubt? Okay, type Y those who understood this question. Type Y those who
Ma'am,
understood
can you
this
please
question.
show the previous slide?
What? Previous slide? Okay, Siddharth, Avni, Kavin, Harini. Okay. Okay. So, sixth question. This is the last question of today. After that, we'll be discussing the same thing again. And the remaining 4 parts we'll be doing in next class. Okay. So, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A equals to sec A plus tan A. Okay. In this, LHS I have taken under root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. Multiplying.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible for all of you, or is everybody able to see my screen? Is
Yes,
every
ma'am, I can
Ma'am, the
see.
last question only we
Ma'am,
are
your
seeing.
screen is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Hina Limani maybe कुछ delay के साथ आ जाएगा या फिर कुछ network issue होगा तो with time I think within few seconds it will come. Okay, multiplying in numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A. Okay, what we have done, multiplying in numerator and denominator by under root of 1 plus sin A. Okay, so 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, it is 1 plus sin A the whole square ka under root. In denominator it is under root of 1 minus sin square A. Okay, so numerator is 1 plus sin A, square root of square will be the same thing. 1 minus sin square A हो जाएगा cos square A. So it is 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So it is 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. 1 upon cos A is tan A. Sin A upon cos A is, 1 upon cos A is sec A. And sin A upon cos A is tan A. This is what we have to obtain at RHS. Go through this solution and ask me any doubt if you have. So, is this question clear? Okay, Siddharth is typing Y. Avni is also typing Y. Okay. Hardik. Harini. Hinal, Himani, Kavin. Okay. So I guess it is clear to everybody. Okay, our meeting is also going to end.